Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes in Avatar World. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. Look for flour, eggs, and milk in your inventory. Next, head to your Avatar World home and find the kitchen area. Once there, interact with the cooking station to prepare for your delicious pancake creation. It's a simple process to get started. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to mix the batter. Place the flour, eggs, and milk into a large mixing bowl. Use the stirring tool to combine everything thoroughly. You want a smooth consistency, free of any lumps. For an extra treat, consider adding a small amount of sugar to the mix. This step is crucial for delicious pancakes. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Head to the stove and place a griddle or pan on the heat. Once it's hot, carefully pour a small amount of batter onto the surface. Cook each side for approximately 2 minutes or until it turns a lovely golden brown. Remember to flip your pancakes gently to ensure they cook evenly on both sides. Patience makes perfect pancakes. Congratulations, your Avatar World pancakes are ready. Carefully stack your warm, fluffy creations onto a plate. Now comes the fun part, adding your favorite toppings. Drizzle with maple syrup, add some fresh berries, or even a dollop of whipped cream. The possibilities are endless for customizing your treat. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great finds. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.